Here's a nice little Apple update. How about a recalibration tool built into iOS 14.5 Beta 6? You may recall, Apple has come a long way on this. You may recall the lawsuits and all the hoopla. I don't know if I've ever said hoopla on the show before. So I thought about it. I was saying, like, this is going to be a fun word. Hoopla.
Oh.
Around when they were throttling older devices that were having subpar battery performance, they were making this optimization decision for you when you upgrade your software. And people said, hey, we need to know about that because all of a sudden now I want to replace my device. And if I knew it was just a battery. And so Apple has kind of changed its tune on that as some of this information came out and those lawsuits took place. Anyway, this is so far in the other direction. I like it. Because often when it comes to battery health, people are a little bit unaware of the state of their battery. And oftentimes your software is not accurately reflecting the true state of your battery. And the estimation of how much battery life you might have back could be way off. So that's what this aims to do, this recalibration tool. You can see it. This is the way it's going to show up. Important battery message. Your battery health reporting system is recalibrating maximum capacity and peak performance capability. So it's going to talk about performance as well. This process may take a few weeks. And there you can see maximum capacity listed in that case at 88%. This is nice information to have as a user. So you can know what to expect. Obviously, it's new. It's a part of this beta 6, so it's not a thing that you're going to experience right now, but you can... this type of transparency gives confidence to the customer. You know, when you expose something like this, you feel like they're not trying to hide something from you. You're like, okay, this is the state of my battery. I need a new battery. Cool. Or, by the way, the recalibration process, it takes a couple of weeks. It will occur during regular recharge cycles, and the process may take a few weeks to complete. When it's finished, however, maximum capacity percentage and peak performance capability data will be updated in the settings app. So I suppose that has something to do with the gathering enough information from the recharge cycle to be able to come up with that accurate figure, which is in line with the current state of the battery. But either way, I like this.
Yeah.
You like it too.